Hi ladies, this video is for how to find the equation of a line if you have only a point and the slope. So let's suppose we know that a line goes through the point -6, -8, and we know the slope is 1/3. Okay, what's the easiest way to write the equation for this line? Well, this isn't the y-intercept, so we can't use slope-intercept form as is, but we can use the point-slope form. This is point-slope form, where this x0 is the x-coordinate of the point that we have, and y0 is the y-coordinate of the point that we have. So all we have to do is plug in our slope, which is 1/3, and the x-coordinate, which is -6. Note there's a minus 6, plus a -8. And then we can simplify x plus 6 minus 8. And this, voila, is in point-slope form. Now, I just submitted exactly what we wrote here into Delta Math and got it right. But I could have also simplified it into slope-intercept form. So how would we have done that? Well, we would have distributed this 1/3 and made it 1/3 x plus 1/3 times 6 is 2 minus 8, and I get 1/3 x minus 6. And that would have been another just fine form of the line, and both of them are good. Okay, hope this was helpful. Let's do one more problem. Oh great, this is a special case. So this one passes through the point 4, but has a slope of 0. So whenever I have a slope that's 0 or undefined, I should have a little red flag that goes on in my head, being like, okay, this is either x equals something or y equals something, so I just need to remember which one it is. So a slope of 0 means, remember, slope is rise over run. So basically I'm rising nothing and I'm running. So I'm rising nothing and I'm running. So it's a flat horizontal line. Okay, well that's great. A flat horizontal line is going to be y equals a constant. So what's that constant going to be? Well, I know the point 4 is on the line. So if 4 is included and y is always constant, then y must be 4. So the equation of this line must be y equals 4. Okay, if you're like, I'm not sure I would have thought of that, you could have also just plugged it into the point-slope form. Y equals m, x minus x naught plus y naught. I'm saying x0 and x naught because naught is another way for saying 0. I think it's in German. So that's what I mean when I say it both ways. Okay, what's my slope? 0. X minus what's x naught? 4. Plus y naught, which is 4. So 0 times anything is 0. So this is 0 plus 4. So it simplifies to y equals 4. And you get the same answer that way. And just because we like getting the green check mark, there we go. Okay, I hope this is helpful as you practice this skill. Bye.